Good evening. So this is Beverly Morales and
I'm Andrea Gail Temkang.
in our interview we yes, her name is
What's your name?
Mara Abdala po.
okay. Thank you, Mara, for giving
Mara
us.
Abdala po. Info.
Okay, so the first question is, what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity? What keeps you motivated?
So it was a time like pandemic. As a student, I was not allowed to go outside. So it turned out little by little, my food intake, and due to having no outdoor activities, it got me bigger inside. I realized that I need to watch out my weight because it could lead to less active and being lazy in doing activities. I started short walks on some places to keep my body going and not neglecting it. To enjoy viewing environments that could help in relieving stress from schools and other things.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So we also have another question. As an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
So encouraging someone who has no interest in physical activity to start exercising can be challenging, but my way would be like to approach the individual with empathy and understanding in introducing the topic to their preference or barriers are important to us that is a guide through which we compensate and give out other ideas to get better results, then be a way in helping someone develop a positive attitude towards physical activity.
Thank you. That's a very good advice. We start with the person yet getting to know them. Okay, so our last question is, what type of lifestyle do you have at present and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
So the lifestyle I choose in this present time aims to maintain healthy body and improving my mental well-being. As to why I take this decision is with my body and so that if there is still life, we should treasure it and nourish it as always.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mara, so much for your time. And we are very happy with your answers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.